Yeah, what's up everybody? Welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Zte Axon 30 5G. I had to buy this one. Nobody has provided me with any review unit. Yeah, that hurts me that nobody has provided me any review unit. I had to buy this one. I had to spend a lot of money to buy all the smartphones. But there is one thing special about this. I don't have any embargo. I don't have to sign any NDA. I don't have to publish my video on the same day at the same time with other reviewers. You can see that when they have released this one globally, a lot of videos, like YouTube was saturated with the videos about this smartphone. So I thought that why don't I go ahead and buy one. I bought one. I have used this one for a few days and I think it's the right time to share my honest opinion about this smartphone. Well, there are a few things special about this smartphone. This one comes with under display camera. This one is second generation under display camera. Axon 20 actually had the first generation under display camera, and this Axon 30 5G comes with second generation under display camera. This one is a rival to this Xiaomi Mix 4. But if you compare the specifications and price, definitely you are gonna forget about this Xiaomi Mix 4. The price of this Axon 30 5G is only a half of this Xiaomi Mix 4. Now this one comes with Snapdragon 870 SoC, and if you know about me, if you have watched my other videos, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you may know that I have loved this Realme GT Master Explorer Edition when they have released this in China. They haven't released this globally, but this is available in China, and I was like amazed with the performance of this smartphone. But after watching YouTube videos on this one and playing games on this one, I can forget about this. Talking about games, if you think that I have been playing games on some ordinary smartphones, then let me show you something. Actually, I have been playing games on Red Magic devices for a long time. This one is Red Magic 5G. This one is Red Magic 6R. This one is Red Magic 6. I also happen to have a Red Magic 6S Pro. Yeah, that one is in my home. So you can understand, I know what type of gaming experience we can expect from real gaming devices. But after playing games on this one, this Zte Axon 30 5G, I think this one offers the best value for money gaming experience. And with this uninterrupted display panel, this one is the best. I'm not gonna say a lot of things here because I'm gonna show a lot of things through this honest review video. But one thing I must mention, if you're here to know about this, under display camera performance of this one isn't any better than any other ordinary, I mean those old school selfie cameras. Yeah, if you're here to know about which under display camera is better, Xiaomi Mix 4 or Zte Axon 30, then I would say none is better than the other. Both does randomly perform well, but if you are a selfie person, then none of these two smartphones are for you. But I have done a separate camera comparison video between this Xiaomi Mix 4 and Zte Axon 30 5G. I wish you will watch that video. Well, I think you have already got some idea about this smartphone, but I would recommend that you watch through this video because I'm gonna show you a lot of surprising and amazing things. Let's start our honest review video. Yes, this is Zte Axon 30 5G. This is special, this is different, cause Zte Axon 30 5G comes with a full screen display without any notch. Then where is the selfie camera? Yeah, this one got a second generation under display selfie camera. As usual, it comes with in-display fingerprint sensor which works pretty fast without any issue. Really, I'm in love with this uninterrupted display panel. Don't get me wrong. No, you can't compare it to those flagship class 2K display panels, but for any mid-range smartphone, this one is one of the best. It even supports 1 billion colors, it's a 6.92-inch AMOLED flat panel, 400 pixel per inch density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and yeah, 360 Hz touch sampling rate. Of course, this one is one of the best. Black is pretty dark and white is pretty bright. Colors are almost as accurate and natural as a flagship smartphone. Both in darkness and in bright environment, this is good for entertainment. If you have watched my Realme GT Master Explorer review video, then you may know how much I have loved that smartphone. But after I have got this Axon 30 5G, that Realme GT Master Explorer is no more my first choice. Eye care mode, dark mode, reading mode, everything is there, and I really like the way dark mode works. At 120Hz refresh rate, everything is buttery smooth. We will surely talk about that under display camera and gaming, but first, let's check the outlook and appearance. Yeah, you will see Zte 5G and Axon written at the back of the phone. There is some type of hologram effect at the back, which looks cool without any protective case. Even if this one is a very big smartphone, it's not heavy. On top, there is nothing but a noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom, speaker grill, SIM tray, primary microphone, and USB-C port. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have stereo speaker setup, but this one comes with a hybrid SIM tray. That means you can either go with 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card with 1 microSD card. Wow, we can expand storage. I know, that's really important for a lot of people. Volume and power, all the buttons are on the right side. And yes, this glossy glass back is a fingerprint and smudge magnet. Well, I didn't find any IP rating. I think it's not an IP rated device, but my unit got away with water splashes, so nothing to be worried. Okay, under the hood there is a Snapdragon 870 processor. You can get up to 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. I bought this 8 plus 128GB variant and I have never felt that I would need more RAM. I have been playing games on this Zte Axon 30 5G for last 2 days without any issues. It doesn't get that hot. I have tried to play continuously for an hour and I can say you won't feel any type of thermal throttling. But for sure, if you try to play for hours after hours, relentlessly, then any smartphone will have a bit of a throttling. Briefly, this is a very good gaming device among all those Snapdragon 870 smartphones. Let's talk about that under display camera. It's not visible. You will never see it if you don't know where to look for, and you have to try hard to even get a glimpse of it. But that under display camera comes with a price. If face unlock is important for you, then no, there is no face unlock. I have noticed something funny. Why would Zte put an option in settings to hide status bar with a notch? The main reason to have this under display camera is to have the whole display, not to have any black bar on the top. Let's talk about the performance of this under display camera. Let's check some selfie photos. This time I have used the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE to compare with this Zte Axon 30 5G selfie and rear camera performance. When Xiaomi has released Xiaomi Mix 4, Xiaomi boss Lei Jun said, "If you need sharp selfie photos, then Mix 4 isn't for you." Yes, I think the same goes for this Zte Axon 30 5G. You can see that the selfie photos on the right is sharper, there is more details, and in portrait mode, the difference is even more extreme. At the back, there are 4 sensors. Yes, it's a quad camera setup. The main sensor is an almost flagship class Sony IMX682 64 megapixel sensor. And in bright daylight, performance is well enough. I am impressed, and I have done a separate camera comparison between this Zte Axon 30 5G with Xiaomi Mix 4. I strongly recommend that you watch that video to know more about the camera performance. Also, after watching that video, you will know why I have started to like this Axon 30 5G as one of the best value for money smartphone, and why am I using this over my Xiaomi Mix 4. Have I forgot to talk about the battery performance? One full charge and it gives me more than 1 day. Yeah, I play games around 1 or 2 hours every day, and I watch YouTube videos around 1 or 2 hours. I do make a lot of phone calls, I do send a lot of messages, and I use social media through the day. But even after that, I would get at least 3 hours more battery life on this Axon 30 5G over this Xiaomi Mix 4. if you are gonna buy this Axon 30 5G, or if you are using this one, then I recommend that you use that adaptive battery option that will provide you a bit longer battery life. Well, that's all about this smartphone. I'm in love with this one for sure. But once again, if you are into selfie, if you like to take selfies, this one isn't for you. What do you think about this smartphone? Please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more honest review and camera comparison videos.